behind here. We're working on the exhaust. Going to repack it because it's getting a little noisy. Oh, man, buddy. Ah, there he is. There's a good friend. Oh, yes. Old Doc's exhaust has seen better days. We're doing some repairs here outside Zagreb in Croatia. This guy is a legend when it comes to the exhausts here in Croatia. We are in the outskirts of Zagreb in Croatia, taking care of some business with the exhaust that is starting to get too noisy and fall apart. So we're fixing that here. He's got an old Jawa in here. Check this out. This thing's classic. Always good to clean it up too. A really dirty pipe, but we're going to make it look a little new again. Now comes the packing material. First some steel wool, and now we're putting a fiberglass type material on there so we can quiet this bad boy down. It's going to be like walking out of here with a brand new exhaust. So instead of putting back the old screws, which are just going to vibrate off, we're going to go with some very secure rivets. And that will guarantee we don't have any more movement and vibration in that exhaust. Just a good move here in Croatia. The exhaust looks brand new. Just fitting it on there and head back to Zagreb. Totally rebuilt exhaust, amazing. In less than an hour.